Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Kania, and I'm going to be doing my Allure beauty box unboxing. I looked at my settings. I don't know how to make it flip, so yeah, everything's going to be backwards, and it's okay. My face is the same, so whatever. Okay, I just got this in the mail. I'm actually opening it the same day I got it. Shocker. The Allure beauty box is new to me. I'm gonna get a few boxes, see how it goes, see how I like it. We'll see, go from there. GQ box. Oh, gift dads and grads a GQ box subscription. Oh, cool. If I knew somebody who would appreciate this, I would get it for him. But I don't think my dad would appreciate it as much as I think he would. But I mean, I really don't think he would. That's the point. So he's not getting it. All right. Face clear. Get clear skin for good. Okay. What are all these advertisements? Can't get out of here. Okay. First thing in the box, the top came off. It's okay. Christophe Robin Broom Volumissant Instantante. I don't know. Instant volume volumizing leave-in mist. With rose water, uplifted roots, and fuller light lengths. Okay, it's a hair mist. Volumizing leave-in mist. So it's you spray it at the roots and it lifts your roots up to give you more volume. I like it. For fine and flat hair, which I do not have, but we'll see. We'll see. Next, Belief. The True Cream Aqua Bomb. Oh, their moisturizer, which I like. It's a cute little sample. Okay, so that's the difference between the Allure box and the Ipsy box, or the whatever it's called now. This is it smells so fresh and clean. Is Ipsy gives me 5 full-size products for probably about the same price, maybe a few dollars more. This is clearly a sample. This is clearly full size. Moving on. Tattle Rose Earth Harbor Seaweed Hydration Mist, rose water and red seaweed. Okay, another. Oh, cute. Vegan, allergy tested, carbon neutral, ethical source, woman owned. Cute. Facial mist, huh? Allergy tested. Did I say that? Soothes, hydrates, and refreshes tones. Okay, let's try it. Oh, you can smell the rose. Oh, that might have to go in my purse. I mean, I probably sprayed too much, but that might have to go in my purse. 2 more things. That's a cute size. That's a cute size. This is full size. Face Reality Barrier Balance Creamy Cleanser. Nice. I am really liking my Key Soul Care Cleanser. This is sealed for safety, thank goodness. But you never know. This might be a really nice one. Oh, is this a sample? Ingrown Hair Bikini Patch. It's thin. It's unopened, so I'm guessing wash and dry skin, apply the patch, and wear for 6 to 8 hours. Peel off and, oh, it's if you have an ingrown hair and it gently pulls it out. Okay. Because I was like, what? No. Okay. So, good idea. And, oh, I'm sorry. Oh, there's 6 patches in here? Oh, because an ingrown hair is like a little invitation. Okay. Okay. Floss, rise above, lengthening mascara. Okay. You know I love a mascara. You know I love a mascara. Oh, okay. This doesn't give the color just doesn't do the color justice. It's very pinky on here, but it's like a brick red. I love mascara. So you know I'm keeping that. Cruelty-free and vegan. Thank you, because yeah, I was hoping. Keep hope alive. A BIPOC and woman-owned. What is BIPO? Woman-owned company. I don't know what BIPOC means, though. Okay, that's good to know, though. I don't know what it means, but it's good to know. Okay, so that's everything in the box. Not disappointed. Not disappointed. This is for my roots of my hair. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what it does. Let's see. Oh, it smells good. Okay, yeah. Yes, I just did that. Do you just spray it in there? I mean, what are you doing? It smells good. It has a good aroma. Oh, it does kind of lift it up, though, right? I don't know if you could really tell, though, because is that a gray patch? Okay. See, what we're not going to do, we're just going to leave it down because it's down now. Okay, these smell good. These smell good. I'm keeping everything. Who am I kidding? I might give away the facial cleanser only because I think I have another cleanser already in my bathroom. And this is a nice size, so we'll see. That smells good. I feel like is that my gray? I'm gonna have to color my hair again. And I really don't want to. But what the heck? Anyway, thank you, Allure. It's not a sponsored video. I bought it with my own coins. Gift Allure. Okay, maybe it says in this little booklet that tells you about everything what the BIPOC means. And I should probably know that, but I don't. So, what was it on again? The mascara. It doesn't. We'd like to see Batman and Robin. Okay. Like any good duo, the inky formula and silicone wand work together perfectly. In this case, to make lashes look dramatically longer, depositing mascara without clumps. We'd like to see Batman and Robin do that. That's cute. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what the BIPOC means, but I'll look it up. Maybe. Do I care that much though? You know. Anyway, this is cute. This is a really good box. I liked it. I liked it a lot. I don't know how customizable it is. I don't recall, but I have enjoyed it, and so I will be getting it maybe a couple more months. Maybe a couple more months. See what kind of stuff I get, and then we'll maybe take a break in the fall. I don't know. I kind of feel like I want to get it in the fall, like Christmassy holiday stuff, but then I don't go anywhere for the holidays, so except work. So we'll see. Maybe I'll spray a little bit of this on the other side of my hair. Just to... It says to spray it at the roots, like this volume going. Oh, I sprayed my glasses. Spray it at the roots. Get this volume happening, honey. Okay. Whatever. Smells good. Whatever. I think I could style it and then spray that in there and floof it, maybe. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is my Allure Beauty Box for June 2024. Have a good day and enjoy yourselves. Enjoy your families. Enjoy your friends. Peace.